everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry for posting this video late. I have been busy, but I'm here to share with you guys the Walgreens ad preview for September 22nd through September 28th. It's kind of a mid couponing week, you guys. I see some great deals and I see not the greatest deals, but I think it's a pretty good deal. As you guys see, the nice Ziploc baggies and the garbage bags are buy one get two free. They have that all the time, so you guys would just pay $2.79. They come out to be just 93 cents a piece if you guys want to do that. I have a ton, so I probably have to take a break from that. They also have the Crest Toothpaste on sale for $2.99. I think we're getting some coupons for it. I think we're getting like $1 off coupons. I'm not 100% sure. I can't remember. But it does say we're getting online coupons. It looks like for the toothbrushes, the toothpaste, and the mouthwash, you guys buy 2 of them, you guys will get a $4 register reward. There's also a deal where if you guys don't have any coupons, especially for the mouthwash or the toothbrushes, you guys would end up paying like, what, $5.98, but then you guys get that $4 register reward, making them about 99 cents a piece. I usually say mouthwash and toothbrushes for $1 are a great deal, so if you guys want to do that. They have the Bounty and the Charmin for $4.99, and you guys get a $3 register reward. Now that also counts towards the fall rebate. As far as I know, there is no coupons out, but if you guys want to do that deal, you can do 2 separate transactions. I didn't figure out the math on that, but you guys would end up getting a $10 rebate also. So if you do 2 separate transactions, if you wanted to do it this way, you would pay, what is it, $4.99 a piece. I just realized this deal. So you guys would pay $14.97, and then you guys would get that $3 rebate, making it $11.97. So you guys would end up having the total come out to be $23.94, and then you get the $10 rebate, making it $13.94 at $2.32 a piece. That's an okay deal if you guys want to do that. Now the Purex liquid, the crystals, and the pods are 5 for $10, which makes them $2 a piece. So if you guys want to do that, definitely go for it. I don't know if there's any coupons out there, but it's up to you guys what you want to do with those deals. The M&Ms are $1.99, and then it looks like there is a $1 off a 2 coupon, probably in the Walgreens booklet, making it $2.98 or just $1.49 a piece if you guys want to do that deal. Now I just found out that the flu shots, I heard that you get a $5 register reward. I don't know how long that is going for, but that's what I heard. So definitely get your flu shots if you guys are interested in that at Walgreens. Now Persil is $5.99. We are getting $2 off coupons, making them $3.99. Usually sometimes there's deals in Savings Star to make it cheaper, so it's up to you guys what you want to do. Schick razors are $5.99. We got $4 off coupons, making them $1.99 if you guys are interested with that. Here we got some candy deals, nothing really bad, nothing really popping out. Godiva, there is a, they are 2 for $5, I just saw, and then I think there is actually a rebate. I didn't even look. Nope, never mind. Yeah, they're 2 for $5, but we do have $1 off printable coupons on coupons.com, so you guys will get them for $1.50 a piece if you guys are interested with that deal. Lots of food deals, nothing really popping out at me. Usually stuff surprises me after I go shopping. There are some printable coupons for Ben & Jerry's if you guys want to do that. Here's State Fair corn dogs. They are 3 for $8. You guys would pay $8, but then you guys can submit 3 75-cent rebates on Ibotta. So it comes up to be just $5.75 or $1.92 a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. So I'm definitely going to do that deal because my son loves corn dogs, so why not do that? They got Downy and Tide 2 for $5. I don't know if that includes the pods. It doesn't say. But there is, like, I think a 50-cent off coupon or $1 off a 2 coupon, I think, for those. So not the greatest. Now here is some Cascade, Dawn, and Febreze for $4.99. Those would also count towards the fall rebate if you guys were interested with that deal. Personal care products, nothing really popping out. I do know Nexus right here, if we are getting $5 off coupons, you guys would want to buy maybe either 1 or 2 depending on what the price is. I know some of those are like 20 bucks a piece, which is crazy. But you guys would get 10,000 points when you guys spend $20 or more. So you could actually buy one that's like a $20 one, use that $5 off coupon, pay 15 bucks, and then you guys would get $10 in points. Comes out to be for like 5 something. It's an okay deal if you guys want to do something like that. All their makeup is still buy 2, get the 3rd free. I think that is the last week that they are doing that. So if you guys have, you know, any coupons you want to use, definitely use those Catalinas up. That's the last week to use those Catalinas up if you guys get them. I see people going crazy for those. More razors. The disposables are $7.99. It looks like there's a $3 off coupon. When you guys buy 2, you get 3,000 points. Axe is $4.99. There's not a rebate for it. There was. I know there was some coupons that are available on coupons.com, but I don't think they're available to print anymore. But you get 3,000 points when you buy 3 of them, and that's for Axe, Dove, Degree deodorant, and body spray. Yes. Here is some deals where if you guys spend $20 or more, you'll get a $5 registry reward. That's for razors, deodorant, and clinical deodorant. Colgate toothpaste is $2.99. Now we do have some $2 off coupons that we got in this past Sunday's paper. There's a deal where if you guys buy 2 of them, you get $2 registry reward. So you guys would end up paying $1.98 for them, but then you guys get that $2 registry reward, making it free. And there's also some Ibotta deals. There's some Ibotta deals for 75 cents and 50 cents for like the enamel and stuff. So I don't know if those are included, but if they are, you guys, let's get ready to get some free toothpaste and make some money. Listerine, if you spend 10, you get 5,000 points. I do know we had some printables for that a while back ago, if you guys were interested. Now we're getting into the Tylenol and medicines. Nothing really popping out. Cough drops, $5.99. Yeah, that's not cheap enough for me. Nope, nope, nope. Ugh, sorry you guys, it's almost like 10 o'clock at night. Look at that. Toys, goofy, yeah. They do have some gift cards where if you guys buy 2 gift cards, you guys will get a $10 Walgreens gift card. So you could look like you could buy, it looks like $25 for the Kohl's one. I don't know how much for Wayfair and the other ones are. But usually you just buy the minimum gift card and you can buy 2 of them. You get your $10 Walgreens gift card. That's a great deal if you guys want to do that. I see a lot of people do that with Netflix. So, yes. But that is it. Just wanted to share with you guys the Walgreens ad preview. You guys can check this out on the Walgreens ad or the Walgreens site yourself. But again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.